This loudspeaker is legal overkill. Algo 8186 IP horn screams over chaos. Feeling stuck trying to run alerts or announcements in noisy, chaotic spaces? You're not alone. From echoey warehouses to windy schoolyards, many teams are battling unreliable paging systems that just don't cut it. Missed alerts, garbled messages, setup nightmares, it's enough to make anyone want to throw in the towel. Whether it's safety announcements that aren't heard or communication that's lost in the noise, the Algo 8186 can feel like the only thing standing between you and total audio breakdown. You need more than volume. You need clarity, consistency, and control. And if that wasn't frustrating enough, the stress just piles on. Deadlines don't care about your paging problems. Whether you're managing a manufacturing plant or running campus-wide emergency drills, missed alerts can spell disaster, both legally and operationally. Every second counts. Lost time, botched communication, and deafening confusion can lead to injury, liability, or total operational chaos. You know the feeling. Desperately shouting over machinery, or worse, hearing nothing when you should. It's overwhelming, exhausting, and downright unacceptable. Here's the breakthrough that'll save your sanity. The Algo 8186 IP horn speaker. Forget the weak sauce. This beast pushes out a staggering 116 decibel of HD wideband voice clarity, even in outdoor storms or on the loudest factory floors. Fully SIP compliant and PoE powered, it's not just loud, it's smart. You get ambient noise-aware auto volume, custom WOV alerts, and plug-and-play compatibility with most VoIP systems, including 3CX. The result? Bulletproof communication, zero setup drama, and control at your fingertips. Paging, ringing, emergency alerts, it's all handled. This isn't just a speaker, it's the communication backbone your team deserves. Users are raving about this monster, and they're not wrong. Loud doesn't even begin to describe it. Plug and play dream. Paging is crystal clear, even with forklifts screaming by. With support for multicast up to 50 zones, built-in talkback mic, TLS/SRTP security, and IP66 rated durability, the Algo 8186 is basically indestructible. It thrives in machine shops, garages, parking lots, terminals, and more. Setup is insanely easy. Configuration is web-based. You get dynamic control without the headaches. Want proof? Tap play to hear it in action, because once you hear it, you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. Don't wait, these units are moving fast. This is your chance to level up communication across your facility before disaster strikes. With limited stock and massive demand in public safety and industry, we're urging you, secure yours today. Join thousands of satisfied users who've already made the switch to Algo's elite paging tech. Click buy now, hit that bell, and don't let poor audio cost you another opportunity. Your team deserves to be heard, loud and clear. Let's go!